Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm giving you guys a whole ton of cleaning motivation. I decided to tackle as much as I could during my boys' nap time. So make sure to keep on watching to see what all I was able to get done. So I started off with separating our clothes by color. That way I could start a load of laundry because I just let it pile up and I was way behind. So I wanted to get that going before starting anything else. And yeah, I'm sure you guys can probably relate. The laundry is never ending over here. So the first room I wanted to get cleaned up was the kitchen area. I feel if my kitchen is clean, then I'm good to go because I love walking into a clean and tidy kitchen. And I had left a couple items out after we all ate. So I'm just going to be putting those in their proper place and put up any clean dishes that were out, as well as start washing the dirty dishes that were left behind as well. So if this is your first time watching any of my videos, first of all, I would like to welcome you and thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe to my channel. I focus on cleaning motivation, motherhood, and lifestyle content, and I would love to have you join my family. So comment down below if you are new here. I would love to say hello and chit chat with you guys. And that is something I do love about this YouTube community, to be able to connect with so many people. And I do appreciate every single one of you. So I tried something new that I found from This Crazy Life's channel. Is after cleaning the sink, I put in a couple drops of essential oil. The one I used was the lavender scent, and it's supposed to help freshen up your sink and make it smell so much better. So I definitely did notice a huge difference, and I'll definitely be adding this to my cleaning routine. Once I notice my sink starting to smell, all I have to do is put in a couple drops of essential oil, and that should do the trick. So if you guys didn't see, I am currently using the 7th generation multi-surface spray, but I'm about done with it, and I honestly wasn't that impressed by it. It was my first time trying it out. I think the only thing I didn't like about it was the smell. Other than that, I think it did okay, but I've just been wanting to try different products for you guys. I've actually never tried the Mrs. Meyer's sprays, and I'm just curious, what are your favorite cleaners to use when you clean? Mine is Method Pink Grapefruit, and I've always loved that, but I just want to switch it up and try different products and maybe see if I find one that I love even more. But yeah, let me know down below, what are your favorite cleaning products? So there were a couple of snacks that we had bought in bulk, and I just wanted to go ahead and put those up to get rid of the boxes. And to store their snacks, I used these Dollar Tree containers that I purchased about a year ago, and they've worked great so far, and it's definitely a good way to keep things organized. So if you are new here, I do have twin 2-year-old boys, and they go through their snacks like crazy, you guys. That's one of the reasons we try to get certain things in bulk. and it does really help. It does really help us out a lot. Let me know if your kids go through snacks like crazy. Now I'm moving on to our dining area, and I'm just going to be tidying up and wiping down the table. And we recently did purchase a new dining table set, and I'm so in love with it, you guys. We had outgrown the one we used to have, and the chairs were all messing up, so I'm so thankful we were able to replace that one. And also, these gorgeous flowers are for my wonderful husband. We recently celebrated our 4-year wedding anniversary and 8 years of being together. So I couldn't be more grateful. I just wanted to give him a shout out. So we had bought a ton of necessities for the boys. So I just wanted to get rid of the bulky boxes and put everything up in its proper place. And this is our linen closet. It's in the middle of our hallway. So I thought this would be a perfect place to store the boys' diapers. And this is where we keep our towels and linens and all that good stuff. So I'm just going to be organizing it a little bit better and make it a little more tidy and neat. I wanted to tidy up the living room next since it was a bit messy. I do let my boys help me pick up some of their toys, but I decided to do it this time around. And yeah, it wasn't honestly that bad, so it was a pretty quick cleanup. And then I'm gonna be putting up some decor. I recently purchased some cute items at Hobby Lobby that I found for sale, so I'm gonna be doing that in just a minute. So I wanted to put up a couple of home decor pieces up that I recently purchased at Hobby Lobby. I found these at a great deal. These were originally $13.99. I got them 50% off, so they were $6.99. These are some galvanized metal wall decor with a glass bottle, and I just bought some little florals to go in there, and I thought this came out so great, you guys. I love how it turned out. I already had this home sweet home sign. Our sellers did gift it to us, so I thought this looks so great in this entryway. I do want to eventually get a entryway table there, or some sort of bench, something to make it come together, but that'll be in the future. We're trying to decorate area by area and not just spend a ton of money all at once. Now I'm moving on to the guest bathroom. This is also what we use, the bathroom we use to bathe our boys in. And I'm just going to be cleaning it up because it was in desperate need of a cleanup. I hadn't cleaned it in quite a bit, so that's what I'm going to do now. So to clean the toilet, I like using either paper towels or disinfecting wipes. And I didn't have any wipes, so I'm just going to be cleaning it off with some paper towels. I don't like using any cloths, you know, because just for sanitary reasons. And I'm just going to be wiping it down with the 7th generation multi-purpose spray. So now that the bathroom is all cleaned, I wanted to tackle this front door. My boys love putting their little fingers all over it, so I thought it was time to finally wipe it down. and I'm sure it's not going to last for a while, but it looked a million times better. And now I'm just finishing off with folding some laundry, and that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. My boys eventually woke up while I was folding, so I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It just lets me know you like the content I'm putting out. And also subscribe if you are new here, and make sure to click that bell. It will let you know every time I post a new video. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video.